Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about constants, okay, which is a kind of special data type. I mean, you probably use this for some special case, but I think you guys need to know about this. So let's go. So we've talked about variables, which are things like float, number equals 5.0, something like that. But this means that we can change the value of this number anytime. For instance, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So we'll print the value of number. The first time we're going to change to 3.0 and we're going to print that again. So we're going to change the name, so it's going to vary. That's the name variable means, which it changed. Okay, so it's something that's changeable. So we're gonna talk about constants in the video, but I need you guys to understand this first. So we got 5 and 3. Okay, so it means that I changed the value of this variable. So let's say I'm doing program and I need to protect data, so I need to create a variable which is contradictory, which is a variable that cannot be changed. So in that case, I will create a constant. So to create a constant, let's say I have a int which count the number of threads. So in threads equals 4. So to secure my code, I don't want anybody to be able to change this value. So how do I do that? So to do that, we're gonna add a constant at the const at the beginning of the variables. So we got const int non-threads. Okay, so I cannot change that value later. It's constant now. So I'm gonna print that. So let's see. You guys can see that, and I'm gonna try to change its value just to show you guys that I cannot do that anymore. So let's just copy and paste. Okay, so I'm gonna execute. I'm gonna see an error which tells me that assignment of read only variable non-thread. So I can only read this variable now. Okay, so it's a constant. The name constant is not that clear. I think they should change to read only, because constant and variable, it's very odd at the same time. But I think you get it, right? So if you do this, you're not able to change its value later. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.